When you're managing workplace health and safety, you want confidence that you're keeping your workers safe and you're in full compliance with all safety regulations. The problem is that it's a huge challenge to ensure compliance from every worker company-wide, especially with limited tools like paper forms or generic software. Workers struggle to complete forms. They forget to do them or fill them out incorrectly, and then collecting those forms is a huge headache. They get lost in transit, forgotten on the dashboard of a truck, and end up on your desk days or weeks later. By the time you discover unsafe scenarios or non-compliance or even missing documents, it's already too late. And this is a huge confidence killer. No matter how much effort and energy you put in, without proper visibility, you never really know where you stand. And there's nothing worse than that feeling of not knowing, especially when the consequences are so severe. You can get massive fines, stop work orders, insurance rates increase, or worst of all, one of your workers is injured. But there is a way for you to have the confidence you want in your company's day-to-day safety compliance. You just need to use the right tool for the job. And for that, there's no better tool than SiteDocs safety management software. With SiteDocs, you'll be able to digitize your entire safety program with digital forms, safety documents, worker profiles, certifications, and more. Not only is it super easy to set up, but it's fully customizable, letting you tweak, adjust, and update until it's a perfect fit for your company's safety needs. The SiteDocs app was designed to be as easy to use as possible, so anyone can use it. Your workers will love how quick and easy it is to fill out digital forms. They can use voice dictation to add comments, select from preset options, take photos, draw on them, scan codes, and much more. Once the form is complete, they select their name and sign off with their finger. It's that easy. The app even supports offline mode, so it can be used in areas with no internet connection. The forms are automatically uploaded to your account and can be viewed in real time on the web or downloaded as a PDF, ready to print or attach to an email. Unlike paper-based safety, where you have no idea if required forms are being completed, with SiteDocs, you'll be able to see forms being completed in real time, making it easy to hold workers accountable and giving you confidence in their daily compliance. Now, inevitably, workers will forget to complete forms, so to make your job easier, SiteDocs allows you to assign scheduled forms to your workers, including automatic reminders and overdue notifications, to make sure required forms are being completed. All the forms completed by your workers will be organized in your account and categorized for easy access. If you need to retrieve a document for an audit or investigation, instead of spending hours digging through filing cabinets, you can simply search in SiteDocs and find it in seconds. SiteDocs also enhances the quality of that safety documentation. No more illegible handwriting or partially completed forms. Your forms will be easy to read and include all the required information. They'll even display photos as additional visual proof. Your signatures are also improved with digital date and timestamps and even GPS coordinates. The forms in SiteDocs are awesome, but there's more to your safety compliance than just forms. And that's why SiteDocs is much more than just a digital forms app. It's a comprehensive safety management system filled with even more incredible features. Instead of the hassle of managing safety binders, you'll be able to upload all your documents like your safety manual, SDS, safe work practices, and more into a PDF library. You can then organize them into helpful folders and send them to every worker's device instantly. You'll love the confidence knowing workers can quickly browse or search to find any documents or information they need to work safely. You'll also be able to upload all of your workers' training certifications right into SiteDocs. They can easily be checked and validated right from the app, and instead of trying to track all the expiry dates in a spreadsheet, you can quickly and easily check a report to see what's expired or expiring soon. This gives you full confidence across your entire company that all certifications are valid and up to date. You can find more helpful reports like this in SiteDocs Analytics, where you'll have a variety of pre-built dashboards and even build your own custom dashboards on any data point in your account. This visibility is the key to having confidence. It allows you to spot trends over time, identify areas of improvement, and measure the impact of your safety initiatives. No more guesses or gut feelings. You'll have confidence based on actual data in your account. And there are even more incredible features like this that you're going to love, like in-app chat, corrective action tracking, incident reports, integrations, automations, and much more. When you look at SiteDocs as a whole, there really is no better tool for managing safety and ensuring compliance. You can see why thousands of companies worldwide choose to use SiteDocs each and every day. The entire industry is shifting to safety software. It's not a matter of if, but when companies make the switch. And there's never been a better time than right now. Setting up your company in SiteDocs is quick and easy. You can start signing forms in literally minutes. You'll also have our friendly support team to help guide your rollout and answer any questions you might have every step of the way. Just imagine the confidence you'll have managing your safety program with SiteDocs and the peace of mind you can enjoy knowing you have full visibility to track, monitor, and ensure safety compliance company-wide.